Hi guys, this is Ayan Parichha and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about the concept of cell theory. Those of you who have chosen biology as your academic endeavor have come across this idea that is known as cell theory. So let's delve into the idea of cell theory. Cell theory is a concept which was proposed by one German botanist named Matthias Jacob Sladen and one British zoologist named Theodor Schwann. So they separately observed certain characteristics in plant cells and animal cells respectively, and their formulations were together termed as cell theory. So what they concluded is all living organisms are composed of cells and products of cells. Like in our body, the different tissues are composed of cells, and in the middle of the cells we have extracellular matrix, intercellular substances, different proteins, basement membranes, collagen fibers, elastin fibers, and whatnot. So all these things are products of cells, and hence the living organisms are finally composed of cells and the products of cells. And what else they proposed? They also proposed activities of an organism are the outcome of sum total of the activities and interactions of constituent cells. Like if we want to locomote, then the muscles contract, and when different muscles contract we are able to move our limbs, and by moving our limbs we do locomote. And these muscle contractions are interaction between different muscles and the function and activity of the different muscles. Now they are in turn controlled by action potentials coming in from the nerves, which are again made up of different types of cells. They interact with the muscle cells, and everything is again coordinated, and a sum total of the activities and interactions derive the activities of an organism, right? But all these did not explain how cells originate or how new cells are formed. So to explain that problem, one biologist named Rudolf Virchow came in and he gave the idea of omnis cellula e cellula, which means that new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. And hence one new point was added to the cell theory, that is, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. And thus combining the idea of these three legendary biologists, the cell theory was made up as all living organisms are composed of cells and products of cell. Activities of an organism are the outcome of sum total of activities and interactions of constituent cells. All cells arise from the pre-existing cells. This is the cell theory, or the classical cell theory, that we are taught in our biology classes. But now if you search on net and search higher level books, that you will find that there have been immense modifications done on cell theory, but those modifications are not a part of our syllabus. Later on in another video, I may discuss about the immensely modified new cell theory, which is quite different from this cell theory. So this was the idea and discussion of cell theory that we were supposed to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share this video among your peeps, and if you liked or enjoyed the content on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss a video from my channel. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one.